All right, welcome back to Couple Minutes. I'm Ian.
And I'm Celeste.
Thank you for joining us. And for those of you that are joining us for the first time, Couple Minutes is part of the CIAN Truth Ministries media outreach. And the purpose of Couple Minutes is to provide a couple's perspective biblically of how they walk out their faith to include
their struggles.
Yes. And so if that's something that you're interested in, subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you do not miss any future episodes. And so today we're discussing
making do.
Yes. Something that not only do we need, but many others need to remember.
Right. And our kids too, passing it on. But right now with supply chain issues and just product availability with the cost of things or... And it is. We're having to get back to what our grandparents did. They made do. And so whether it's a roof needs to last a little bit longer, put a little tar in there, or maybe the dinner, having leftovers, repackaging them into something else. The garden, not everybody needs to buy a brand new raised garden bed. Maybe you have some old tin and some 2x4s that you could do it. So you're making do with what you have.
Right.
We did an episode before about keeping up with the Joneses. And it's that you don't need to keep up with the Joneses. You have what's on hand, or maybe bartering or trading in something instead of buying it in the store. And so we can make do, and it's coming to that. And the Bible talks about that too, because he gives us enough and he makes ways for us.
Well, absolutely. And part of being a good steward of that is understanding that you have great resources at your disposal if you would only access those things, if you would only exercise that creative process in you. God has given us every opportunity to accomplish what he has us in. So if you're in that season, if you're in that home and the property you have, you've been allocated with what you already need.
Right.
You just need to realize it. And sometimes that is taking something, as you said, and reallocating it to accomplish that goal.
Right.
If we can remove ourselves out of it, our pride, or maybe it doesn't look the way that we would want it to, but does it still function? Has it become tov? Absolutely.
Right.
So that becomes the aspect of I get to make do with what I have.
That's right.
I get to find a way to make this work.
And to show the ingenuity.
Absolutely.
Our kids, they really need to learn that too. We want to set them up for success.
Absolutely. So we hope this has encouraged you as you continue to walk out your faith as a living sacrifice under the Most High.
Right.
So on behalf of CIAN Truth Ministries, Couple Minutes. Yah willing, we'll see you again. Shalom.
Shalom.